My father was very dapper also. He used to wear spats and walked with a cane and smoked a cigarette in a cigarette holder. And even when we tried to get him to stop smoking, he would still hold the cigarette holder in his mouth. We figured that, well, that couldn't be as bad as smoking. He smoked a lot. He smoked Pall Mall. I remember that. And those were the worst possible cigarettes you could smoke. He was very dapper. When he used to come around the corner from the Grand Concourse to our street, we always knew he was coming because he was walking with his cane and his cigarette holder and his spats. And he was theatrical in a way. He was very involved with Maurice Schwartz in the Yiddish theater. And I guess maybe some of that rubbed off on him too.